Hi folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today I try to fix my computer.
Barb Makes Things!
Almost a year ago, my laptop, which I used to edit these videos, slipped and fell, and the edge of the screen cracked on a mini Delta. As it turned out, it was only the screen that was damaged. I could still plug it into an external monitor and use it without too much trouble. It's kinda cool if all you want from your computer screen is glitch art, but, well.
I'm about to try to repair my laptop, so we will see how it goes. Shouldn't be too difficult. I've read all the instructions. I have all the tools I need. I forgot the screen at home.
Back when it first happened, I did some research, visited several repair shops, and found that it was going to be expensive to replace the screen. I also found that the process of replacing the screen was relatively simple. Probably simple enough for me to manage on my own, even though I don't have much experience with computer repair. The iFixit website has a very clear guide and illuminating comments from users. I could save myself about half the cost by just buying the part and installing it, but my computer is very integral to my work and my life outside of work, and the thought of risking that to my relative inexperience held me back. What if I made it worse? What if I killed my computer entirely and had to take it to a shop and pay more than I would have in the first place? It paralyzed me a bit. Plugging it into an external monitor worked. It was just manageable enough to put off repairing it for almost a year. I kept spare donated external monitors at home and work in crash space. Thanks to my friends who hassled me for months, and to Steve for that final push to order the display, I finally got what I needed to do it. And...
Okay. Yes! It's alive! Oh my god. I've been holding my breath for the last hour, which is not good for your health. It's alive! Yay! Oh my gosh. Alright.
it's nice to be carrying around a laptop again and not a slightly more portable desktop computer. It's good to be mobile. My work is mobile. My life is mobile. Now I just need some new stickers for the display assembly. Alright, let's see what I can get done towards the dodecahedron this next week. If you like this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.